So we have this workshop, and even with the light on, it's pretty dark in here. And so there's also a musty smell. So what we're going to be doing is removing all of the furniture, fixtures, and then pressure washing. Also, this floor over here has a mildew smell, and we pull the carpet back, you can see signs of mold. So we'll be bleaching that with the pressure washer. And then after pressure washing, we'll basically get all of the dust and dirt, cobwebs and stuff from up in the rafters will be knocked loose and cleaned out. And we'll treat it with bleach, because that'll kill mold and mildew spores, and then pressure wash to clean it out. And then we'll set up fans and get some ventilation going. So we'll actually have wind going in here through that door and window and out. Probably we'll close that window. We'll probably have this door open, and we'll close the roll-up door and seal in with a couple of box fans to get the ventilation going. And tomorrow's supposed to be hot, about 80, so that'll bake it in here and help to get everything dry. And then after that, if it's still damp, we'll run some Dragon's Breath heaters in here, so we have hot, warm air blowing through the whole place. Once it is bleached, pressure washed, and dried, then we'll be painting it white. And so we'll have a nice solid workspace. We'll do a little insulation on this wall and probably do a little more finish. But for starters, we're going to spray. I'm going to get an airless sprayer and spray on a white latex primer and then a white top coat so that it's a lot brighter in here. And one of the things I like to do on the workbench is I'll get some white butcher paper on a spool, and you put out a piece of white butcher paper when you first start working, and that way when you drop a screw or whatever, you can find it. It doesn't fall between the cracks. And whenever that butcher paper gets dirty, you can pull a new piece. I found that butcher paper is really handy because at the lab, very often, I need to write something down quickly and had no paper. I just write it on the butcher paper. So I have a lot of times where when I'm replacing the butcher paper, I tear off the stuff on the workbench and fold it up for notes, or at least have an opportunity to take pictures. So this is the before shot at the new, I'm calling it the Stark Labs for Iron Man suits. So this is our new Stark Lab, Stark Research Lab. It's a little dark right now, and so I just wanted to show you the before, and then we'll give you a progress update as we brighten it up in here. And also there's just the one light fixture, so we're going to bring in some more light fixtures as well. All right, thanks for that. Checking in. This is an update. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.